Let's see the difference between these two great styling products. The smoothie looks like butter, it has hydrolyzed silk protein, it's very concentrated, don't put too much. As soon as you apply it, you feel quite moisturized, that is to say, it's oily. Cantu Curl Activator. It also comes super concentrated. It is a product that yields a lot, do not use too much either. It is more moisturizing than the smoothie. When we run the brush through the hair while using the smoothie, this is the result. It's heavier because of the oils, but with the curl activator, the curls are more quickly marked because of the moisturizing effect. Both products contain shea butter. We are going to apply a light gel so as not to alter the result too much and to be able to better appreciate the difference. Scrunch, something you should never miss in your routine. This way it looks wet and this way it looks dry. Cantu Curl Activator, Smoothie SheaMoisture, and in my opinion, with dry hair the difference is quite minimal. In terms of movement, I'd suggest that the Cantu Curl Activator outperforms the SheaMoisture Smoothie, whereas for shine, the latter seems to have the upper hand. I can't tell you which one is my favorite. Which one do you like the most?